Repair broken canopy rafter. Thanks for subscribe. I was going to use tent. When I started to set it up, I noticed some problem. This is what happened. Broken one of roof rafters. I'm going to repair it temporary. To let me use tent for now. I took 2 wood strips. Synchronously drilled 4 holes for the bolts. I fastened rafter between them. I tightened bolts and nuts through holes. I got some kind of like bone casting. The same idea. Finally, I secured support. Fix rafter in right position. As a result, tent is ready for use. Thanks for watching.